What's good, y'all? It's your boy Chitraang back with another video, and guys, in today's video, your boy is going to Dubai Festival Plaza right after City Center there, mall club. Now you're probably wondering, why are we going to the mall? Well, it's for a challenge. What type of a challenge, you may ask? It is. You have to stay tuned till the end for that. Till the time, you guys know what to do, right? Smash that like button, smash that subscribe button, and of course, do not forget to press the bell icon. Let's start the video. Alright, so we are on our way to the mall. और approximately mall पहुंचने के लिए हमें लगते हैं 18 से 20 minutes. And I can see the IKEA board. Looks like we are here. So let's go park our car and enter the mall. We just parked our car in the Dubai Festival Plaza. Lulu parking, well. The challenge is actually a 10 dirhams challenge. What all can you eat for 10 dirhams in IKEA Dubai Festival Plaza Food Edition video? Now, not only that, I'm going to be giving you guys a whole tour of this amazing mall in the city of malls. Of course, we just entered the mall. So this is okay. We're gonna go up the escalator to IKEA. That's our first location mark where we're gonna be going. So let's go do it. Okay, देखो, even though I'm a foodie, I'm not कि मतलब mall में जाके खाना ही है. We will do the food challenge, but before that, let's explore IKEA, and you guys are gonna explore it with me. Let's go. IKEA is the biggest furniture company in the world with over 400 stores worldwide. Alright, so I think this is a good setup for my video editing. Dad, can you buy it for me please?
No.
Now we are heading towards the first floor of IKEA. वैसे हमें trolley नहीं चाहिए थी, लेकिन he still gave us a trolley. No matter if you're choosing a sofa, a cushion, a desk, or a lamp, each product will have a fascinating design. Guys, here the challenge begins. I have 10 dirhams. Let's see what all I get for 10 dirhams here at the IKEA food section. Let's go. Now there were a lot of things for 10 dirhams on the menu. Milia. Okay, so now it is time to order. So what I ordered? Now you're probably tired after your IKEA shopping. So go take a break in their IKEA bistro. Wow, okay, so here we have a veggie hot dog, and over here we have a soft drink. Now the best part about the soft drink is you get unlimited drinks and you can refill it whenever you want. So Coke, Mirinda, which one do you choose? Right, so the other option that you can get is, there's a deal going on that you get a pakoda and a karak tea, which is for 5 dirhams. And after that, you can get a samosa, which is for 3 dirhams. That is going to be 8 dirhams in total. Now, ab baki jo 2 dirham hai, you can probably get 2 ice creams. Alright, so guys, that is it for this video. Do let me know for the other mall vlog. Till then, peace out.